Hello, St. Paul's. This is the Ministry and Renovation update for Tuesday, October 27th. This coming weekend is the fall back time where we move from daylight savings time into Eastern Standard Time. So we fall back, we gain an hour. Will you use your hour to be up and about another hour, or will you take the extra hour to sleep? Sunday, we gather for worship at 10:30, both in the building for in-person worship and online with our live stream. You can find the link for that at stpaulsottawa.com. This Sunday is also Communion Sunday, so if you are in the building for our in-person service, you will have one of these little communion packs that will be in your pew. They will be placed there in advance, and at the appropriate time, you take the see-through part and peel it back, and there's a small wafer under there, and then afterwards you take the bigger part, peel it back, and you can have the juice there. If you are at home and worshiping online, then I would invite you to get some juice or wine and some bread prepared in advance so that you can participate in the communion as well. This Sunday, we continue our series looking at the big picture. And this Sunday, it is a little uncomfortable, but I think also important. And the big picture question is, what happens when I die? And the overarching theme that we are looking at is life and death and life as we find it through the Bible. I would encourage you to consider being part of our Monday through Friday prayer times. They happen Monday through Friday at 11:30 a.m. and they are on the Zoom platform. The link is on our homepage, stpaulsottawa.com. You don't have to be the most eloquent person in the world to participate in prayer with others. It is a joy for us to be together, and it has been such an encouragement for me to be together with a number of these people who are true prayer warriors. But not everyone prays aloud during the service. So if you would like to come and pray, and even just pray quietly with the group, I would encourage you to do so. That's Monday to Friday at 11:30 a.m. Catch the link on our homepage. And now for the renovations. Much of the work in the building has been done. There are a few things I'm going to show you, but much of the work that has been happening in the last week or so is outside, dealing with the flooding problem that we've had in our front parking lot and the new drainage that is being put in for that. Here's some video for you now. This is the crane that was brought in to put a number of the precast concrete parts of the drainage system into place this past Friday. And things are returning back to normal in some places. The hallway is getting cleared out a little bit, with the tables being moved back into Campbell Hall. And the new chairs have arrived for Campbell Hall. They're different from the old ones. The old ones were getting a little old. The new ones are formed plastic, but they are incredibly comfortable. And they also stack very, very well. They don't need to stack nearly as high as the old ones do. And so I think we'll be pretty comfy in the new ones. The Lord bless you and keep you.